Hey televisions, back with me again, Aji Gautama Putrada. I am a lecturer for operating systems. This is our 11th meeting about scheduling part 1, and this is the last video or the 7th video of our 11th meeting, which is about preemptive scheduling. Now we have discussed three types of scheduling type. The first one is FCFS, and the second one is SPN, and the third one is HRRN. And if you still remember our first discussions about scheduling, we can divide this list into two, which is these are the non-preemptive and the rest of these are the preemptive scheduling algorithms. So we have concluded the discussions about non-preemptive scheduling types, and now we are entering the preemptive scheduling types. And the main question is, of course, what is preemptive? So preemptive means that the, the execution of a process can be interrupted by another process because the other process should have the higher performance, higher priority. And so, after all the discussion about non-preemptive, why are we doing preemptive scheduling? Of course, the first, we will discuss the good thing about preemptive is that it has high performance. Which means that it is faster. But the bad thing is that because it is complex, it has high overhead. And by high overhead, it usually means that it becomes slower than the usual and the simpler algorithms. And if you still remember, the first algorithm in the preemptive algorithm is shortest remaining time, and shortest remaining time means that if the remaining time of another process is shorter than the process being executed, that process will be preempted. And so that is the end of the seventh video, but this is not the end of the discussion of scheduling. As you know, there are still several algorithms to discuss, so we will continue our discussion about scheduling in the next meeting. So I'll see you in the next meeting, and thank you, of course, for your kindly attention. I'll meet you next week. Thank you, and goodbye.